Sweet Banana Empanada. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the sweet recipes and one of the most delicious of the dessert recipes and one of the most unique of the empanada recipes and one of the most different of the fried recipes and one of the most unique of the fritter recipes. Today we're going to make sweet banana empanada. We have taken around 150 grams of banana or one banana and peeled off the skin and cut into circular pieces. Now smash the bananas into a smooth mixture. Now the bananas have been made into a nice and smooth mixture. Put in around 7 to 8 spoons of sugar. Mix in the sugar with the banana. And shift the banana pulp or the banana sugar mixture into another bowl. Now put in around 100 grams of all-purpose flour. Now put in 2 spoons of sugar. Put in a pinch of salt. Mix. Pour in around 75 to 100 ml of water little by little. mix the dough. So as to make a nice dough ball. Thoroughly mix the dough. By pouring in water little by little. Now make the dough into smaller balls. Roll the dough in between the palm so as to make ball between the palm. Now this can be flattened out in a flat surface. Now dust the surface with some all-purpose flour. Now flatten out the ball that we made by putting over the flat surface. And make it into a circular shape. Put in the banana mixture into the center. And fold it in two. And stick the edges. To form it into an empanada shape. And keep it aside. Do this with the next ball. Put the ball over the dusting all-purpose flour and repeat the procedure. Roll it out into a circular shape using the rolling pin. Until all the balls are made into empanadas. Heat the pan. Pour in 50 to 60 ml of oil. Let it get heated. Now put in the empanada into the oil. And in medium flame, let it fry. Turn it over. Let it fry. Keep on turning from side to side until it's golden brown. Now the empanada can be taken off the pan, the oil, and onto the plate after draining off the oil. Do this with the rest of the empanadas until all the empanadas are nicely made. Put in the next empanada. This is the final Sweet Banana Empanada. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the sweet recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dessert recipes and one of the most unique of the banana recipes and one of the most different of the empanada recipes and one of the most unique of the breakfast recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried fritter recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.